There's rumors going around that Marcus Rashford has been working hard. As we all know, like Marcus Rashford has been linked with a lot of loans, a lot of transfers, a lot of signings with different teams. Your Barcelona's, your Napoli, your Borussia Dortmund, So apparently today the media was saying that Marcus Rashford has been working hard and he's trying to win his space in the Manchester United team. Here's my take on that. So, I don't know, man. I feel like maybe this could be better if I don't know if Rashford would ever watch this video. But for me, this is my thing with Rashford, bro. Like when you start doing good for a team, as we know, for a specific time, Rashford was the player for our team. Was the player to go to, was our player that was scoring goals. And I don't know, was it last season? I think after last season, it just literally just dropped off, And which is every player, we don't have a problem with that, Every player has its season. But what I'm saying about Rashford is, you need to be serious about the team, bro. Like one thing I feel like Rashford doesn't get, Rashford, you're not an NBA player, bro. You're not a rapper. On your off season, you can go chill with your friends. You could be with your NBA players, you can be with your wife. Alright, cool. We don't have a problem with you going to the NBAs and stuff. But what we are saying is, we all can see your performance, bro. We all can see Marcus Rashford. We know the prime Marcus Rashford. And the one that we are seeing currently is not the Rashford. Rashford is my favorite player. I know him. I love him so much. I can also see, like you can see even the body language. Like you can see Marcus Rashford, like his physique is not healthy. I'm avoiding not healthy, not that fit, His body language shows you like he doesn't want to be here, And which is something very bad. Like if you're a Manchester United player and you're not performing and you're expecting everyone to feel sympathy for you, it's not going to work, bro. Manchester United is the biggest club in the world, Look at me right now. I'm saying this, I'm in South Africa and I'm a fan of yours, But right now, bro, I don't want to lie. If you're not performing, how do you expect me to feel? I fight people daily for this team, But if you're not performing, then you expect us to be like, no, it's Marcus Rashford. He does good. He used to score for us. How many players used to score for us? So what I feel like Rashford should literally just come back, man. I feel like mentally, that's one thing that he should fix first. His mental state currently, I feel like he's not there for the team. He should just literally fix his mind. Maybe we might not know any internal things with Ruben, but so far for me, Ruben literally wants you to be fit. Just be fit, you'll play. We saw what he was doing with Garnacho. Garnacho wasn't getting game time, and he was actually explaining it like Garnacho doesn't play the way I want him to play, and he's not that fit for him. Garnacho worked hard, came back. Garnacho's playing, starting, So what I'm saying is, if it's true, Rashford doesn't want to leave and he wants to come back for the team, he should just fix his mental state. Like, I don't want to lie, we all know Marcus Rashford is a good player. He should just fix his mental state and be fit. Because we all can see Marcus Rashford doesn't pace anymore, doesn't shoot anymore. You can literally see like, yo, you are no longer here with us, And this is a team sport. If you cannot be with the team, leave, it's fine, But it will be sad to see you leave for what you have done for the team. But if you're no longer part of the clique, you can leave, it's fine, So that's my take. You can tell me your take on the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button, press the subscribe button so that you can know every time I post video on the channel. And from me, Sparkles, and from me, Mr. Sparkles, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.